All right, guys, our new Monday range strategy tester is out now. In this video, I'm going to run through what this indicator is, what the logic is behind this, and why the strategy tester is so important. You hear a lot of different strategies on YouTube, but not a lot of people can actually back their strategies with data. When you go and try to code some of these strategies into their own algorithms, into their own indicators, you go, wait a minute, they're actually not that profitable. So we have coded the Monday range strategy, a strategy that I've talked about for years on this channel, into its own indicator, the Monday range algo. And we've also added the strategy tester optimized over the past 3 years or so. We currently have optimizations for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we have Bitcoin 15 minute, Bitcoin 1 hour, Ethereum 15 minute, and Ethereum 1 hour. You guys don't need to worry about any of the settings here. Just press one of these and these will be the optimized pairs. So these are the optimized settings for Bitcoin on the 1 hour time frame. Again, you can see here, sweep of the Monday range high. There is our short position. There is our TP1, our TP2, and then our TP3, followed by a small stop out after that. Go to a few weeks prior, we see we have another long position hitting all 3 take profits. So over the past 3 years or so, we've seen around 96 trades on the 1 hour. Obviously, not that many trades on the 1 hour time frame, but a very high profit factor. So this is great for funded accounts. Jumping into Ethereum, we also have this really nice equity curve. Now, again, there's only so much that we can actually put into code, right? Do I recommend following all these signals blindly? You can, especially if you want to pass a funded account, that's great. But I always recommend manually trading yourself. The goal of this is proof of profitability, right? Proof of work, showing you guys that the strategies are profitable, having the data there to see, so you're confident in your system, so you can trust your system. Now jumping into the 15-minute time frame, okay? This is when I like to trade the Monday range strategy. Over the past year or so on the 15-minute time frame, we have a 3.5 profit factor. And look at this equity curve, right? Beautiful equity curve to the upside, around 100 trades. Beautiful short position here. Take profit 1, take profit 2. You can see our losses are very, very small. We also have this trailing stop loss feature, which minimizes losses, right? A very small loss and then a very nice win here, right? So that's how we can have, a 50 to 60% win rate and still be very, very profitable, right? Now, the only kind of negative to having such an optimized version is that you're going to get less trades, right? This is only signaling when there is a high probability trade that follows all of our criteria that we've optimized for. Again, there is your short entry. So your risk to reward in this case is like a 1 to 5, 1 to 6 risk to reward. And again, if you're trading this live, you're probably not even taking profit until this low is hit. This should be even more profitable in practice. Okay, again, week prior, there's your short position. Week before, again, another beautiful short position, massive risk to reward there. Now, I've already made videos going over the strategy and how it works, right? Essentially, you're trading sweeps of the Monday highs and the Monday lows. These lower time frame ones are optimized for the past year or two. If you go back to like 2018, 2019, 2020, it's not going to be as profitable, okay? And the reason is that price action changes over time, okay? The trading environment the past few years for Bitcoin was different than the trading environment in 2017, 2018. So you don't want to look too far back. You want to look back the past few years. And that's usually a really good data set to work with. If you're going to test this yourself, make sure to use this on the Binance pairs, okay? So Bitcoin USDT and ETH USDT on Binance. It is based off of the Binance data. It does not work on any other exchange. As far as the back testing goes, of course, you can trade the strategy on any exchange, but when you're back testing it, use Binance. And last but not least, we have Ethereum on a 15-minute time frame, past year, 7 profit factor, 80% win rate. Literally an 80% win rate, guys. 56 total trades, so not that many trades, but still some really nice A+ setups. Again, if you're trading this in practice, your stop loss is not going to be all the way up here because this is based on code. So, you put your stop loss there, but there we have it, guys. So proof is in the work here. The Monday range strategy is profitable. Now, what I recommend doing is not using the strategy tester version, but use our actual indicator. So load up your Monday range algo v1.1 and trade the Monday range, okay? The strategy tester, again, is to show you guys proof of profitability so you can trust your system. What I would recommend to actually capitalize on more trades is to just simply trade the Monday range algo. You can see inside of the Discord, we are automatically alerting out now for when these signals are firing across various pairs. You can see here, it just alerted at 10:30. We had a Monday range buy signal on Aster USDT. So we go to Aster USDT on Binance. This isn't even optimized for Aster, but you can see again, long hits take profit, long hits take profit, long hits take profit. I'm going to load up the Monday range. Okay, we're going to turn off the strategy tester. And there was your signal on the 15-minute time frame for when this setup is formed and when you can enter the trade. Obviously, this would probably be a break-even trade here, but you guys get the gist. Our Black Friday sale is also live. So if you guys want to try out this indicator and strategy for yourself, click the first link in the description below. You'll also get access to the pro community. Use code BF2025 for 33% off your first month. We're also doing a massive lifetime sale as well I'll leave that down in the description below. Limited spots for the lifetime. So excited to see you guys crush with this. I know the strategy works. I've used it for a long time. We're also going to be releasing some more optimized strategies in the future, also for our NASDAQ traders. So some big things coming, guys. Again, first link in the description below if you guys want to get access. Subscribe to the channel for more trading content. I'll see you guys next video.